Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wellness Wednesday. I'm here again with Lisa, who you all know from the book The Art of Jin Shin. She's one
Hi,
of our beautiful models, and so thank you for presenting today.
thank you for having me.
So, you've been practicing for a long time, and I would like to know, is there any flow that you like to do daily?
Mhm.
What is your daily self-care?
Every excuse me, every day when I wake up, I do the men's intro before I get out from the bed, and then my daily routine is to hold the fingers every day.
Okay, so the fingers and their main center source, which is wonderful, and I recommend really to everybody. That's the
Hmm.
one I do too. So here we are doing the main center source, and I was wondering, could you share it with the community today? So
Sure,
guide them through it. Do you do it lying down though, or sitting up? Or
I do lie down.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. So that's how we can recommend it. But
Hmm.
for these purposes, we're going to sit up. So if you are at home, then make yourself comfortable,
Hmm.
sitting on a couch, lying back, or lying down in your bed. So do you do
Hmm.
it on your back or on your side? Or?
Yeah, I lay down on the back.
Okay.
I guess I can rest my right arm on the pillow, and so for me that I feel much easier. But I think without the pillow might be okay too.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So let's start.
Okay. So you hold your right hand. Oh, I'm sorry. Right hand on top of your head,
Right.
and then the left on the forehead,
Okay. So you see how
and
Lisa's using her palms. I tend to use my fingertips. So, that's really up to you. You can hold
mhm,
the palm of your hand
mhm,
or your fingertips or even using the thumb. So
mhm. And then I'll
wonderful.
take 6 breaths at least. If I have a time, I have longer time, I might do more. But in general, it's standard 6 breaths. Yeah. And then I move
Let's take
to,
3 breaths at
oh,
least. So
okay.
people will practice along with us. We
Okay.
always invite you to practice along. So let's take 3 breaths here.
Hmm.
And this really clears the mind, right? This first step.
Yes.
Okay, let's move to the second step.
And then I put the the middle finger on the tip of my nose,
Hmm.
and then take the breath.
And that really gets our system going. It's like a generator for the body, this one. And you can see maybe how Lisa said she uses a pillow because your arm, you don't want to like hold it up. You want to be
Hmm.
really relaxed. Alrighty.
And also, you're waiting for, I mean, the pulsation will come and could be in the third breath or the sixth. Okay. And the third one, the apple,
Yeah.
the Adam's apple,
It's a little
kind
bit
of.
low. It's almost in the V of the neck here.
Right, right.
Yeah, that really helps our voice and communication. And this is also the same as the chakra areas, right,
Hmm. Hmm.
Lisa?
And yes, and I put the middle finger, it's you say the tip of the D, and then I rest my other finger with it.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. So you can cover a lot of space here and feel if there's any fullness or congestion.
Hmm.
So again, 3 breaths. So you take 6 for each hold.
Right.
Yes?
And also that's what I learned to take the six as the basic, the breathing number, and you can add it up 12 to,
36.
36.
That's right.
Right.
36 breaths. So by the time you do all of it, you will have had 36
Mm-hmm.
for sure. Okay.
Then we
So the
move
left hand
down.
moves down.
Yeah.
Are you on 13 here
I am more like in this,
in this area?
yeah.
Okay. So you can go, like, I like to go a little bit higher than
Oh,
Lisa,
okay.
so you can see what feels good for you.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that may be a little bit different
Mm-hmm.
for everybody. So
Mm-hmm.
3 breaths here.
Okay.
Because this is also where the thymus gland is located, so it
Oh, I
helps the
see.
immune system.
Mm-hmm.
And you said you were doing this a lot during COVID, right?
Yes, every day, especially I have more time, so I can increase my breathing numbers. And I think that saved me from COVID. Yeah, I'm really grateful I was able to do this practice.
Okay, and
Okay,
then moving
and
along.
then move to the
Okay, so I like to put here between the 13s and
okay.
then go to the solar plexus.
Oh, I
Okay?
see. I see.
All
Okay.
right, so we're always learning something, and also what Lisa did is probably perfect for exactly what she needs, what
Mm-hmm.
you need.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Um, so in general, we go from here to here to here.
I see.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so clearing here, the clearing the chest line and the waistline.
See.
Yeah, on the different levels. Or at the solar plexus. My arm is getting tired, so I'm going to put it on my tailbone. So 3 breaths there. And we can really feel the breath first being here, and we breathe with it, and then moving it a little bit lower, paying attention to all these different areas. So, what else does this flow do for you? Why do you like it?
Uh, to me, I feel this is a like overall, from the top to the bottom and make the circulation go around, goes around. So, and it's to me, it's also easier for me to do uh, the main central instead of doing the flows because sometimes I couldn't reach certain area if I do it on myself. But main central for sure, I can do it every day, and even sometimes I do it stand up too.
Mm-hmm.
If I have to,
Yeah.
I feel I need to do it and to calm down also. Then that's what I do.
All right, let's move on
Okay,
to the next step.
this one is here.
On the pubic bone,
Mm-hmm.
and just to show.
Right here.
And you're not big enough. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So you're still on the top of the head.
Right.
And then let's move to the last step.
Okay, then remove the right hand and put it.
Yeah,
I
so I'll
put it
show.
here because I'm lying down, so I put my palm in this way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Excellent.
If you're sitting down, you can do this way, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing it like that right now. I like to use my fingertips because they're sensitive, but again,
Right.
you can use the palm or your thumbs for any of these holds or
Right.
flows.
Yeah.
So
that's it.
Yeah, so this connects us really to the source energy, right?
Mhm.
This main center source.
Right.
So my hands are all nice and warm now
Mhm.
from this practice. So Lisa, thank you so much.
Thank you. I have a good
sharing.
review too. Now I can do it even more.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.